Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. This one we can put into s plus 4s. Next, this one we can do about factorization by s. Number 4 and number 4 we can do another factorization. Next, s plus 1 we can do another factorization. Now we can use about partial fractions. So I will put a over s plus 4 and b over s plus 1. Next, we do common denominator. So about this one, it is missing about s plus 1, so capital A multiplied by s plus 1. About this one, it is missing about s plus 4, so capital B multiplied by s plus 4. Next, we need to arrange based on the terms of s. About s, we have a with s, b with s. About the numbers, we have 1 with a, 4 with b. Now, we need to compare coefficients. This one we have number 1, so a plus b equals to number 1. This one equals to negative number 1. And now we create the system of equations. So a plus b equals to number 1. A plus 4b equals to negative number 1. And now we need to find the solutions of a and b. So a equals to 5 over 3, b equals to negative number 2 over 3. So I will put this one gold here. And now we have the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.